Hey guys, running Kimono here. Went to the Dollar General. Today is the first day of their 3-day clearance event. It's going right till Sunday. I made a video with a lot of information. Check it out, linked in the notes and at the very end. If you've never heard of this sale, but I think you should check it out if you have a Dollar General near you, because you might be able to get some items on the cheap, including 5 penny items. And I'm not much of a penny shopper, but man, I found 5 today. I got some cheap again. Did this with a couple different store cards too. And it was just really great. I think this was altogether like $14 with the tax included for this table of stuff. I am going to let you guys know there is some sort of issue with overage now, where I'm noticing that overage is not working the way it used to. What it's doing is, like an item like this that's $1.80, and if I have like some sort of like 2 off of 2 store coupon, and then some sort of like I don't know how to say it, like a dollar coupons to go with that, I should have got like 40 cents of overage. But what it's doing is the store coupon, it's going right to the amount, so it went down to $1.79. I still got them for free, but I didn't get that 30 cents of overage, so that kind of sucked. And then I had another item that didn't kick back any overage either, that I was anticipating it. However, what's weird is this was a digital coupon, and I got 30 cents of overage with that digital, but the paper, it didn't work. So that was kind of strange. But other than that, it was a really good haul. And yeah, so we'll go through this in a second. Weather report for you guys. It's freaking bright out there today. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a fantastic day. Okay, so let's talk about the penny items right off the bat, because I know a lot of you will probably be like, oh, I want to get some pennies. So these are the 2 pennies that I found that include this sock slider and then this hot sauce that pennied out last Tuesday. So the sock slider, so a lot of this as seen on TV, so it has this logo. Lots of this stuff is ringing up for a penny. And here is the UPC. And definitely open up your app, scan everything and anything. And I found this right in the as seen on TV. It was not in the clearance section, and it was a penny, and I was able to find 2 of them, so I got 2 of them. Hot sauce pennied out last Tuesday. And I found it, believe it or not, in the clearance section. And there is the UPC. 12.5 fluid ounces. I thought my husband might want to try this Mexican hot sauce. So I got 3 of those. And just moving it along, this one store I was able to find 2 of the Gain fabric softeners in the scent Tropical Sunrise. These were $1.77. I had a $1 coupon from a recent Retail Me Not, so I dropped it down to 77 cents. Not the worst deal. Suave body washes are part of the POG items, so they are actually $1.80 each. So for 2 of them, that's $3.60. We have a $2 off when you buy $3 of this Suave products. So that got reduced down to the cost of the item, because I had dollar coupons from last weekend's beauty book, which was $2 off. So instead of getting the other 2 off of 2 off, it just reduced down to cost. So I got $1 off from the manufacturer, and then from that 2 off of 2, it just reduced down to $1.60. So I got these items for free. And I did this 3 times over 3 different store cards, and I got some free body wash, so it's not like the worst deal. I also photographed Hopefully that was crystal clear. The body washes were free, no overage. The Fetch Rewards app also gave me back extra points for the purchase of all these Suaves. If you've never heard of this app, today is your lucky day, guys. Check out the link in the notes. Use my referral code. When you photograph your first receipt, an Egg McMuffin or something you bought on clearance yesterday, you're going to be given 2,000 points, which is $2. Sign up today, because even like a lot of this stuff that I was buying, I'm getting extra points for like little purchases on shampoo and stuff. It's a tremendous app, and all of these points amount towards gift cards, and I mean, it's great in so many ways. So if you're kind of new to shopping, you might want to check out this app. Link in the notes. Also, in my travels at the Dollar General, this was $1, and it was found near these kids section where they have like reading books and that sort of thing. And this looks a lot like my cat, and it's my cat's name as well, Daisy. So I thought it would just be kind of fun to buy it. And I don't know, I just thought it was super cute. So there you have it. I was happy to find this. Not on clearance or sale. This is a really superb deal, and this is today only, which is Friday. It is to grab one of these Venus razors, and it's part of that Pog stuff. So this is $4.05, I believe. And no, so the razor is part of the Pog, so it's $4.20. And the shaving cream is $1.85. So the two items together, that's $5.90. We have a buy one get one free that's expiring today. Like if you buy this, you get the shaving cream for free. So that's expiring today, so that will come off along with a $3 digital for this. So it drops these two items down to $1.05. And I did this over 5 different store cards, so I was really happy with that. About the Skick razor. This guy is $2.70. We have a $3 digital, so it'd make it free plus 30 cents of overage. The smart thing to do, guys, is I would buy all 3 of these in one transaction. So it would basically make it after, like, so $1.05 for this, subtracting the 30 cents of overage, it would be 75 cents for the 3 items. I think that's the smartest thing to do. And remember, this coupon is expiring today, so you'd have to either do it ASAP or not do it. But like, how fantastic is that? So I thought I might have some overage, but it just didn't work out for me. But I picked up these Life Boys. They're 67 cents each, part of the Pog clearance item. So, you know, hey, not the worst thing. Out for me, I grabbed 2 of these L'Oreal's. They're $3.60 for 2. I had a 4 off of 2 from a recent Retail Me Not. That gave me 40 cents of overage. So maybe because I didn't have a Dollar General store coupon with that or something goofy. Item again, I did this in 2 separate transactions with the Suave. These guys are $1.13 each, but it's only certain ones. It has to be the coconut one for whatever reason, coconut and vanilla, this specific scent. So for 2 of them, that's $2.26. We have that $2 off when you buy $3 of this product. It was taking off a very goofy amount for me, along with a 3 off of 2 from last weekend's insert. That one worked. So in theory, free for me, but I should have gotten extra overage with those 2 coupons, but it just did not work for me. So I was having a lot of issues with that today. Just to be 100% transparent, do not bank on the overage from that store coupon with the manufacturer for this. And I did not find very many of these in the store. People were not buying all of them. Another great little item that's part of the POG or POG is the CoverGirl. This guy is $2.25. We have a $2 digital coupon, making it a quarter for this little quad of eye makeup. So the Tide Pods, here's a funny story. This item is not bringing up for clearance, even though it's tagged and found in the clearance section. And the manager at this one store actually had to punch in the phone number on the barcode and then look it up because she thought I went and made this sticker in the back of the store and like brought it to her. And I'm like, no, there's like 4 bags of this in the clearance section. I should have never have even tried to buy this at this one store because everything is a hard and fast no. So anyhow, she scanned this into the zebra, and yes, it was part of their clearance. So she had to make this 50%, which was $4.47. I had a $2 coupon from the January P&G that scanned perfectly, so it paid $2.47 for this. I really thought I could use a $3 coupon, but this is a 31 count. It has to be on 32 count or higher, so I'm off by 1. So you have to use the $2 coupon, not the $3 coupon for that one. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, the next little item that I grabbed, because I did have a little bit of overage in this basket, is the Gain with essential oils. This is a 58 loader. It's massive. This guy is $10.10, so 50% of that is $5.05. We have a $2 coupon from a recent Retail Me Not. It made it $3.05, and I had a little bit of overage that grabbed it, so you know, it wasn't the worst little dealio. These Suaves, I got a whole bunch of them because this is a favorite lotion of mine. I really like it because I find that sometimes lotion can be very thick, but this has a good amount of oil, so it's just a really fantastic item. These are $1.35 each, so grabbing 2 of them, that's $2.70. We have that $2 off when you buy 3. Part of that digital came off, along with I had dollar coupons from the Retail Me Not of January the 24th. So it was basically free. I did not get overage for that, but still to get like 8 of these lotions totally for free, I was very delighted with that. So good luck with your hauls, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.